Me. I haven't done this so long. Let me warm up. Hello, Bellas and Bellows. How are you? Well, it was my birthday, and I thought it'd be fun to check in with you guys and see how you're doing, how your summer's going, and share a little birthday fragrance combo that I put together myself. It's kind of not typical of me, these two brands, and it's kind of not typical of me really to mix. I mix sometimes, but I'm mixing two mainstream heavy hitter fragrance brands that typically I wouldn't say I wouldn't wear by themselves, because there are beautiful scents that I would wear by themselves, but you know, they're not, I wouldn't say individual, but I like a little bit more niche, a little bit off the record, where no one really knows what I'm talking about. So I created my own scent for my birthday. I had two parties, Bellas and Bellows. I will let you know about those parties soon, so stick around, and I will give you the deets on my birthday. It was actually a big birthday, and I really enjoyed myself. However, I feel extremely blessed. My friends are amazing. So I wanted to smell good for them on my party. So I mix Tom Ford Lost Cherry, which is really nice and actually different for me. But I was feeling a little rebellious and sexy and a little fire, and it just gave me that feeling when I put it on. But then I added, to soften it up, you know, I'm a water sign, to kind of give it that nice musk, fresh, clean bite. I had a sample. These are both samples, so I was playing around. Maison Francis, KURKDJIAN, Aqua Celestia Forte. So these are the two I mixed. They were, I went to a training and I got this deluxe size, and then I actually had this sample in my fragrance sample bag. So I said, let me just try that. Okay, so that I have on the Aqua Celestia Forte on now, and now I'm gonna add the Tom Ford Lost Cherry to it. So I layer it. I put one on first, and I'm just gonna tell you what it makes me feel like. Oh, and it's getting low. I actually kind of like it. It kind of felt like a party scent. You know, also when people hug you, you want to have a nice impression. Well, this felt very playful and different. Oh, okay, so it's spicy, it's vanilla-y, it's clean, it's fresh, it's hot, perfect for the summer evening nights. It's giving me sexy, it's giving me glam, sophistication, and it wears really well. So let me give you quickly the details, because I'm about to meet my cousin, but I wanted to really do a quick video and check in. Hey y'all, there'll be lots of videos coming soon. Updates, trust me, I'm gonna give you updates on where I've been, what's been happening, and some cool videos on fun products that I wanna share with you. So, Aqua Celestia Forte by Maison Francis KURKDJIAN is for women and men. Okay, the notes: main accord, citrus, which you know I love. I love a clean, classic citrus. Green, so that's gonna really just mean fresh to me. Aromatic, white floral, so a bit of feminine energy that's gonna softly balance that green and that citrus. Fresh, musky, fresh, spicy, powdery, sweet. Those are the main accords that you are going to get when you smell this scent, okay? Let me give you some inspiration, because I find it, it's called the Lucky Scent, okay? Aqua Celestia Forte by Maison Francis KURKDJIAN is a floral green fragrance for women and men. It was launched in 2018. The nose behind this fragrance is Francis KURKDJIAN, so he created this one himself. Top notes are lime, petitgrain, lemon, and mint. Ooh, so it's just that clean, relaxing vibe. Middle notes are black currant, okay, blossom, jasmine, Hidodone, which I don't know, Mimosa, and Lily of the Valley, which I love a good Lily of the Valley. And the base that Shey Bella, and if you're new to my channel and fragrance lovers, you'll know, and a lot of the scents that I wear, musk. The base is always or the middle note. There's always some musk, and that's where your girl is getting her inspiration. Let me quickly tell you. An aura of absolute serenity. The blue of the skies and the blue of the sea separates, allowing the glow of the radiant sun to the spring forth. The energizing freshness, remember I told you it's so fresh, embodies by the jasmine from Egypt and the petitgrain from Italy. Ooh, offers a forte to the intensity of aqua celestia. All right, so that's that one. Now let's go to Tom Ford, who is naughty and fun and playful, and he always has fun names and just does a nice spin. Let me give you the main accords. They're sweet, almond, cherry, nutty, fruity, vanilla, warm, spicy, amber, alcohol, and woody. Another lucky scent. I call it my lucky scent because on my birthday, you want to have a lucky scent. You want to have a fun scent, okay? And let me give you the notes to this scent. Okay, Lost Cherry by Tom Ford is an amber floral, okay, that warm, sexy, but then the floral just kind of tones down the amber. It's for women and men. Lost Cherry was launched in 2018, both fragrances. The nose behind this fragrance is Louise Turner. Top notes are sour cherry, ooh, bitter almond, and liqueur. Middle notes are sour cherry plum, so that deepness, turquoise rose softens it, and that jasmine sambac. Base notes are tonka bean and vanilla, which I love. Cinnamon, sandalwood, clove, cedarwood, patchouli, and vetiver. So, ooh, you're getting that patchouli, a little bit of that little punch, cedar, very woody, and then the vetiver, oh, that crisp, the cloves, very calming, vanilla, sexy. So the two together is like, oh my gosh, you would want to hug me, you wouldn't want to let me go. Or whoever you hug, you're not going to want to let go. It's just warm and inviting and sexy. So I invite you, Bellas and Bellows, I know you guys are fragrance lovers and I know you have a lot of beautiful scents. And if you have some of those mainstream scents, I know, you know, mix them up. Make your own creation. So we're going to call this, all right, so we are on part 2. And the name of this birthday combination that I have is called Intoxicating Bella. So if you want to try something fun, I just had some samples. It's again the Tom Ford Lost Cherry. You will find her. And then the Maison Francis KURKDJIAN in Aqua Celestia Forte. But I also, Bellas and Bellows, wanted to give you some cool tips on, you know, actually purchasing. It can be so intimidating, right? Purchasing a fragrance for that special person in your life. Usually people are going to steer away from it because they're like, I don't know what they're gonna like, they're gonna return it, it's such a personal thing. But if you know that person you're gifting, you can really surprise them by how much you really have paid attention to their wants and their likes. So here's a quick guide on preparing to buy that perfect birthday fragrance for your loved one or friend. Birthdays are very special to all of us. It's another chance around the world to be blessed, to be here, to be with our loved ones, to make a difference, to have your impact. And as Regina, one of my closest friends, said, it's your personal anniversary, so you are making your stamp. Whatever you are, small kid, sorry, choking on myself, or a grown-up, birthdays are always special. And I'm celebrating my birthday this year all year around, okay? Sharing this day with loved ones, friends, and families can really make it special. And I have to say, this year, every year is special, but my friends and family really showed up. You showed me incredible love and joy and just feeling acceptance and just appreciated. It just was overwhelming to the thought of, I'm gonna embrace this. Like, I'm grateful for this. If I am this good to my friends, wow, because they showed that love back, and I hope I can be a vessel of that love to them continually. I want to continue to be a good friend to all my friends. Thank you, Mama Cheryl. But I was so touched, and it was such a special birthday. Just the love, okay? My heart is just filled with so much love. So thank you to all my friends and family who shared with me on my birthday. You are all special, and I appreciate you, and you really made your girl feel good. So let's make some other people feel good in your life, okay? All right, so we said birthdays are special. What is the brand to pick? Well, you know, choosing a birthday gift, I think you want to pick a respectable brand. Always buy a, well-trusted brand. And if you're listening to, that gifty, that person special in your life, you're going to know maybe they like organic scents. Maybe they like niche scents. Maybe they like mainstream scents. Maybe they like scents from Europe or France, or, maybe they like sets in their scents, like get value. So you just do your research and you pick a reputable brand. Obviously, you can never go wrong with your classic Chanel, Tom Ford. I mean, the list goes on and on. So you pick the brand. You have now broke it down to you want to take that risk and buy that special gift. But we're going to talk about how do you choose a fragrance and for what personality. It's also fun to do like hand creams. They have deodorants, they have hair mist. Those are cool little ways to incorporate maybe a really expensive brand, and you want to gift them and let them experience the brand, and you want to save a little money. That's always a great way. And also sets, holidays, Valentine's, Christmas, Mother's Day. They have these amazing value sets where you can get the lotion, the fragrance, and you're gonna save, there's always like a 20 to 30% saving. So that's always a great way, and it makes the gift even more luxe, right? But I thought this was interesting, Bellas and Bellows, on how to choose the fragrance towards the personality. When you're purchasing a perfume for someone else, it's always wise to select according to their personality. For a person with a romantic personality, a floral isn't always a good choice. And I chose Serge Lutens à la Nuit. It's a beautiful floral. It's so French. It's so classic. It's so romantic. So choose a really pretty floral. If they like roses, if they like, iris, find their flower and then match it to that. So that is our beautiful, romantic, a gentle scent for someone who's intellectual and social. Perfumes with green waters and citrus notes are best. So I chose Etra Toilette, and this is a great citrus, green, mossy, clean, still very feminine, and just fun. I just grabbed a couple just to give you an example. Okay, for someone with a mysterious and self-confident personality, an oriental perfume will do great. And then that's that Chanel Noir is a great oriental. That's always lovely. Let's see. And then for a person with creativity, aromatic and mossy is really good. I like, what is a good mossy scent? I thought this one would be good. Sacred Water by Harmonious. It's very clean, water, aquatic. But basically, you're going to be smart and you're going to pick the right perfume for them because you love them and it's coming from your heart. And I just want to say your scent is individual, and if someone was kind enough to buy you a fragrance, even if I didn't like it, I would be honored that they thought of me in that special way. It was a pleasure spending my birthday experiment with my scents with you. This is what your girl was wearing for her birthday. She had some parties. If you haven't caught up on Shey Bella, I've been listing my parties below because we've been partying. And let me tell you, we're going to party the whole year, okay? So take a look. I'll put the links below of my 2 birthday parties. I was wearing those scents. I was feeling sexy. And my friends gave me a wicked fun birthday party, so you got to check it out. It was a pleasure being with you, beautiful people. I hope you've been all well and safe and happy. I will be back soon, so stay tuned and come on and play. Definitely, if you like this video, subscribe and leave a comment. I will definitely answer back. Join the family, and I'll be back with another fabulous video for you. Stay well and beautiful again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.